Olivia Bowen and her husband Alex have officially moved into their long-awaited Spanish villa, marking the end of a 2-year journey to build their dream holiday home. The couple, who share 2 young children, have been documenting the entire process of designing and constructing the property from the ground up, describing it as a challenging but deeply rewarding experience. Now, they have finally stepped into their finished home, which features a private swimming pool, spacious outdoor terrace, and a fully equipped barbecue area designed for family living and entertaining. Olivia shared emotional footage of the moment they entered the property, showing the couple embracing as they took in their new surroundings. In her caption, she described the experience as overwhelming and wild, explaining that the first couple of days in the home have been chaotic as they adjusted to living there with 2 young children running around. She said the villa represents a long-term dream for their family, emphasizing that it is a place where their children will grow up and where they hope to create lasting memories. Despite the excitement, Olivia admitted that the process has not been perfect, noting that the move-in phase has been intense and emotionally overwhelming. She explained that she is trying not to rush the process of settling in, instead focusing on enjoying the experience and embracing the unpredictability of family life. Olivia also shared that she had originally planned to create a polished reveal video, but felt too emotional and overwhelmed to do so immediately. She added that she needed time to process everything before fully sharing the transformation with her audience. The couple officially confirmed ownership of the property earlier, after signing final paperwork following nearly 2 years of construction and planning. Olivia previously celebrated the milestone on social media, expressing disbelief and excitement at finally becoming a homeowner abroad. She credited the support of her design and legal teams for helping bring the project to completion, describing the process as complex but ultimately successful. She also revealed plans to decorate and furnish the villa with a mix of new purchases and items sourced over time, including large home orders and curated furniture pieces. Despite the excitement around owning a holiday home in Spain, the broader context of rising tensions around tourism in parts of the country has also been widely reported. In recent years, some regions in Spain, including the Canary Islands, have seen growing protests against overtourism, with locals expressing concern about housing pressure and environmental strain. Large demonstrations have taken place in cities such as Tenerife, where residents have called for stricter regulation of tourism and housing development. At the same time, tourism authorities and industry leaders have warned that negative sentiment toward visitors could harm the local economy, which depends heavily on international travel. Even amid these broader debates, Olivia and Alex appear focused on their own milestone, celebrating the completion of a personal dream home and preparing to begin a new chapter of family life in Spain.